bukas pala guys is Raksha Bandhan. Yung celebration nila or festival for brothers and sisters. So bukas, may opisina sila ni Abby. So kailangan lang namin bubili ng sweets. If hindi holiday, bukas, may opisina pa rin sila ni Abby. So ngayon, bibili na kami ng sweets. Mahalakshmi Sweets.
Cham-cham.
Cham-cham? Gulab jamun. They have Jollibee also. What do you want, love? What is this? Batore. Got our sweets for tomorrow's celebration. May nag-comment sa previous vlog namin na yung tatay niya daw dati is dito nagtatrabaho. So, pakita natin yung Bata store. This is so yummy. Naglaga ako kanina ng kamuting kahoy. So big. You try the small one first. Try this one first. Then, itong isang plastic na to worth 200 rupees ng vegetables. May kamatis kami pero konti na lang. Kalabasa, cauliflower, okra, and green chili. And sibuyas. You like it? It's yummy, right? Ang laki pa ng kinuha niya. It's yummy. Today is today.
Happy Raksha Bandhan.
Happy Raksha Bandhan. Last year, she celebrated Raksha Bandhan in Patna with her cousins. So it was an experience for her. But this year, she's with us. So she has no one to tie Rocky on. Wala si Ane, wala yung kanyang brother. Prepare Mimi's baon for school. So naisip ko ngayon is oats banana cupcake. And lalagyan ko siya ng beetroot para maging pinkish yung kanyang color. Very ripe banana. And meron ako ditong boiled beetroot. Ginagamit ko siya like anytime gusto ni Mishka ng snacks na gusto niya pink. So ginigrate ko itong beetroot. And nagkakaroon na siya ng pink na snacks.
1 scoop.
2 scoops. Is it good? 1.
1.
Count, huh?
3.
2. 3. Go get your stool. Bala, you cannot reach. Go. Last one.
And
4. And 14. What 14? Put the banana. 2 bananas in.
banana.
It's black banana. It's ripe banana.
What?
What do you call this? Okay. Konti lang. Hindi ganun kalaki. For sweetness, let's add dates. No, there is seed. You have to take out the seed. Take out the seed. Take out the seed, Anay. Let's add milk. Put the dates. Okay. Your hands will get dirty. Good job.
Yeah.
Go wash hands.
See, happy Raksha Bandhan, Mithi.
Tell me also.
Happy Raksha Bandhan, Mithi.
Happy birthday, Mickey.
Here's our butter. Here's my oats, banana, and beetroot cupcake. Ready to go school. Nilalaro pa yung kanyang ball eh. Hindi na siya nahintay ni Abhi kasi late na si Daddy. So ako na yung maghatid sa kanya. Say goodbye everybody. See you later.
Bye,
Here.
Bye, Auntie Percy. Next time.
See you next time. Let's go. Hindi na siya ganun na umiiyak. Unlike nung mga first week na Mishka na grabe yung iyak niya kapag iiwan siya. Ngayon, hindi na siya ganun talaga na umiiyak. Pakonti-konti na lang. Come on, let's go. Let's go na. Ala, wait. Bakit naka-traditional wear sila? Wait, Mimi. Hindi ako nagbabasa ng announcement. Dapat pala, traditional wear sila ni Mishka. Buti na lang nakita ko yung sa gate. Yung mga bata, naka-traditional wear. Chinek ko yung WhatsApp group. Mali ang nanay. Come on. So, ayan, buti na lang na meron kaming traditional dress ni Mishka and we still have 8 minutes before mag 9:30. So, nakapagpalit kami. Come on, wear your sandals na. Teka. Ang pretty naman, my baby. It's okay. Go. Go. Naalala niyo ba na meron akong minention na merong isang Pinay nandito nakatira sa Cork, hindi dito sa Madikeri pero sa parang kabilang town, kabilang barangay. And ngayon, nagkausap na kami sa Messenger. Napag-usapan niya namin na someday magkita kami somewhere, ganyan. And ngayong araw, andito pala sila sa Madikeri. So sabi niya, pupunta na lang sila dito sa bahay para lang makapag-meet kami kasi so far guys, sa pagkakaalam ko, and yun sabi niya, na dalawa lang daw kami na Pilipina yung andito sa Cork. And yun nga, magkabilang barangay pa kami. So ngayon, papunta sila dito. And yung ginagawa ko ngayon is naglilinis ako ng aming dining table at saka ng dining chair namin. So mag-aayos na ako konti kasi paparating na sila. Hindi ako prepared. Ito sana yung ginagawa ko guys. Nililinis ko yung aming upuan. To be continued muna yan kasi meron akong bisita. Tata sila ni ate. Si Ate Lita, yung kapitbahay ko pero sa kabilang barangay. Magkabilang barangay kami. Oo. Meron siyang dala. Ay, salamat eh. Ako na. Oo. Ikaw ba?
Sabi ko nga ako, mahilig din pala siya.
Mahilig ako sa halaman pero hindi nabubuhay. Nakauwi si Abhi guys kasi malapit lang daw siya dito.
I was here only for inspection.
Huh.
So you said,
I told them last time we went to Viraj Pit. Uwi na sila guys. Ate, magsibabay ka na. So hanggang sa muli, magkikita ulit kami. Yan sa yung asawa. Uwi na sila guys. Bye-bye. Next time. Visit again next time. Or maybe we will visit there next time. Bye-bye. Ayan sila guys. See you soon. Magsusundo din kasi ako ay Mishka guys. Uwi na sila. It feels good na may makitang Pinoy dito. Ayan, dalawa lang kami dito guys sa lugar na to. Pero doon pa sila sa kabilang bundok. Bigyan din kami mga parents guys ng Rocky. That's good.
My so big bell.
Yes, it's a big bell. Let me see your Rocky. I also got my Rocky. No, ma'am. Teacher gave me. Did you enjoy today?
I like Chinese food.
Good job.
My brother's
Okay. Let's go.
Hey, it's an apple. See, it's a dog. See, it's a cat. F is an egg.
F is that?
It's a pig. That's a dog.
Do you know there is one tita who came at our house? She visited me.
Why is it a wizard here?
Tita visit me.
Why?
She is with me.
Here. Give me a
Open it.
Mommy, see.
Yeah, I also got my, what is this?
Baba have small.
You also have small.
Why?
Who put this on your forehead?
T-shirt.
Teacher. Okay. What? Where's the chair? It's outside. I was cleaning it. I have to finish cleaning pa. Where are you going? Come here, eat this ladu. Binigyan ko sila ni ate kanina ng sweets ladu. Tapos yung binili namin, hindi nila kinain kasi ano daw, sugar. Feels good na meron na akong, alam mo yung na-meet dito na Pinay. Hindi man kami magkapit-bahay na malapit talaga. Pero, alam mo yung kabilang barangay lang. Hindi naman ganun kalayo kasi mga 50 minutes away, 1 hour, ganun yung biyahe. Kaya lang, yung biyahe dito is dire-diretso lang siya, walang traffic. Eh sa Bangalore, pag gumagala kami, inaabot kami, minimum na yung 1 hour sa pagbiyahe. Maabot kami minsan almost 2 hours sa pagbiyahe dahil sa traffic. And dito, dire-diretso ng pagbiyahe, makakapunta kami doon siguro sa kanila. Mga 1 oras yung aabutin. Pero at least na-meet ko na si ate na alam ko ba yung meron akong kakilala dito na site. Marami yung nagsasabi na sana may ma-meet akong mga Pinay din dito sa Madikeri. Pero walang Pinay dito guys sa Madikeri. Ako lang siguro, tapos yun si Ate Lita doon sa Viraj Pet. Like sa Bangalore, kapitbahay na kapitbahay talaga yung mga Pinay. Pero okay lang. A whole new experience dito sa Madikeri. But I'm okay. Kasi dati naman guys, if napanood nyo yung mga simula ko talaga, nung nasa Bagalport kami, nung yung sa second apartment namin, hindi naman talaga ako palalabas na nakikipag-meet talaga. Like almost every week or every month. Masaya na ako na sa bahay lang. Lalo pa ngayon na andito si Mishka. Pero it's good din naman na once in a while, meron kang makakausap, ma-meet na mga kaibigan, gano'n. Pero para sa akin, hindi naman required talaga na like every week dapat makipag-meet ako sa mga Pinay. Okay na ako nasa bahay. Medyo busy din kasi ako. Kahit dati na hindi pa talaga ako ganito ka full time sa pagbablog. May mga ginagawa-gawa ako sa bahay. Gusto ko yung mga nag-art ako, nag-decorate, something, ganyan. May ginagawa-gawa sa bahay, nag-i-experiment, magluto, gano'n. So, okay na ako sa gano'n. Pero recently, syempre, siguro, yung reason is more on kay Mishka nung nagsimula na akong makipag-meet kasi gusto ko yung masanay si Mishka sa ibang tao, yung may makalaro siya, ma-develop yung kanyang social skills. Doon na ako like yung palaging nakikipag-meet sa mga kaibigan. Pero kumpara lang sa sarili ko, once in a while, okay lang sa akin. Hindi ko kailangan talaga yung, every week. Okay na ako yung nakikipag-usap ako online sa mga kaibigan ko.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make
Merong dala si Ate Lita na bulaklak para sa akin. I'm so happy. Thank you, Ate Lita. Meron akong pangdagdag dito sa aking mga indoor plants. Ayan, lalapas ko na. Kasi excited ako. Tingnan niyo. Ang nice. Eto, maganda talaga yung soil niya. Yung sa akin kasi yung brown or red na soil. Eto, maganda I think this is peace lily. I'm not sure sa pangalan. Thank you, Ate Lita. Lagay ko muna dito. Lilinisin ko to. Dagdag sa aking mga plants. So nice. Ito na yung aking lutong chole. Chole masala.
That was so shocking.
Here, come here na. Don't put
Not
Russia.
Shaki, it's Rakhi right?
What she said?
Shaki.
Shaki. Ito na si Daddy, so we'll celebrate Raksha Bandhan.
And sweets. You cannot say no. Sweets today.
Say, Daddy, this is from Buwa.
That was so over.
From Buwa.
From Buwa. That's just open it.
Oh, you tie this on Daddy, in behalf
Okay,
of
we'll
your
eat
Buwa.
later. You eat later in this, okay? You eat.
Huh? Give this to Daddy in behalf of Buwa.
Right or left? Right, na?
Yeah, right. Tie it. Hindi ako pwede kasi dapat sisters and brothers.
Wait.
Okay, just help Daddy. Just help Daddy.
Give me sweets, Mishka. Sweets.
Okay. Now sweets for Daddy. Put them down.
Mm.
Happy Raksha Bandhan. Say, Daddy, Happy Raksha Bandhan. What about Mommy?
This is how
Happy
you
Raksha Bandhan.
do Raksha Bandhan when you are working. when
Away
you are
from
out,
home.
Away from home.
This is like one of their main celebration in the north also. So here's our Raksha Bandhan celebration. I cook puri and chole.
Chole.
Chole is required, Han? For Raksha Bandhan? Why did you ask
Veg
me?
na.
Ah, okay.
So chole or aloo, anything is fine.
Ah, okay. So ito na yung aking lutong chole. Good. Bye, Daddy. Tapos na siya sa kanyang lunch.
I'll come later.
Daddy will come later. I'm also having my baby Raki from Honey. And suot natin na yung kanyang Raki. Medyo busy yung aking lunch preparation ngayon. Kunin ko muna ito kasi sagapan pag kumain. Hindi ako sumasabay kay Abhi or hindi ako sumabay kay Abhi ngayon kasi pag kumakain na siya guys, nagmamadali lang siya mabilisan para makabalik ulit sa office. And ayoko na nagmamadali sa aking pagkain. So ito naman yung para sa akin. Pinauna ko si Mishka and then si Abhi. Yung pagkain ko kasi is parang relaxation ko na to. Ayoko na nagmamadali ako sa pagkain. And ayoko din na kailangan nila akong hintayin habang kumakain. So, mas mabuti na pag lunchtime, nagmamadali si Abhi. Si Mishka, paunahin kong kain. Busog na siya after. Makapag-relax siya sa kwarto and ako kumakain. Makapag-relax din ako. In fairness. Ang sarap ng luto ni Mommy. Tama na. Mag-take a bath muna kami para fresh siya bago matulog. Kunin ko muna itong aking Raki kasi ayaw ko na mabasa tapos nakatali sa aking kamay. Hindi siya komportable. Give me your Raki. Come on, we'll take a bath na. Take out your Raki first. Who put your Raki gablab earlier? Come on, we'll take a bath. Teacher put your Raki.
Yes.
Then what did you say to teacher?
I don't say thank you.
You did not say thank you.
Yes.
Why?
I don't say thank you, Auntie.
You did not say thank you to teacher.
No.
You have to say thank you.
No.
Next time.
Yes.
Pinasok ko dito sa loob yung mga upuan kasi umaambon kanina. To be continued yung na-postpone ko na paglilinis kanina.
fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much, a little bit of sun, a lot of...
Medyo madilim na dito ngayon, guys. Linisin ko lang to kasi gusto ko siyang ipasok mo sa loob. Excited much.
Could never make me sad when you look at me like that. And even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black when you look at me like that. Look at you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine, oh mine. In my life, baby, don't need much, a little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad when you look at me like that. And even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black when you look at me like that.
Guys, nakakapagod din yung mag-vacuum at mag-mop sa buong bahay. So, yung pagmamap ko, dito lang sa salas at saka sa kusina, iiwan ko kay Abhi yung dalawang kwarto. Siya naman yung mag-mop doon. Kakapagod kasi. Kahapon, naglinis din ako, guys. Hindi ako talaga... Kahapon ba? Or nung Sabado. Hindi ako nag-vlog nung Sabado. Naglinis ako doon sa kwarto. Tapos yung bintana sa kwarto, nilinis ko talaga. Kasi hindi siya talaga nalinis nung dumating kami dito. So, uunti-untiin ko. So, inuna ko muna yung bintana sa kwarto. And in the coming weeks, iisa-isahin ko yung mga bintana dito sa bahay. This one, that other one. Tapos yung sa kwarto, ganyan. Kasi hindi kaya yung isahang araw lang na lilinisin mo siya. So, napagod ako nung Sabado. Sumasakit yung balikat ko. Sabi ni Abhi, bakit kasi nagtrabaho ka ikaw lang mag-isa? Sana hinintay mo ko. Pero kasi gusto ko na may magawa akong something productive nung Sabado. Kasi hindi ako nag-vlog, hindi ako nag-edit. Ayan na. Clean na yung aming sala. And yung mat ni Mishka na balik na din. Makakapaglaro na siya. She's now playing. Let's check if meron siyang homework for tomorrow. Where is your book, Lablab? Teacher did not give back. Your book is not here? Minsan, iniiwan doon sa school nila yung kanilang libro. Wala. Who's home?
Papa.
Papa is home. Minsan sinasabi niya, Papa instead na Daddy. Be careful.
And I'm very tall.
Who?
Mommy.
Mimi is tall.
House is so clean.
Yeah, 2 rooms for you to map. Kain muna ako. Hapunan. Si Abby hindi siya magdi-dinner. Diet ko siya. Kasi mag-exercise siya. Kasi pa din naman yung aming pagkain from lunch. What are you doing? Ngayon lang niya naalala yung kanyang overball.
Mommy, what is that gift?
Huh?
What is that gift?
That gift is from Mommy and Daddy. Last Christmas, we gifted you that.
What is that, baby?
No, just this Christmas, last year. Yeah, that's Mimi's puri. Nilutuan ko si Mishka ng maliliit na puri. Nakakain naman siya, kaya lang baka gusto niyang kumain ng puri pa. So, ginawan ko siya ng maliliit. Kinakatahan niya sa Abi habang nag-exercise sa Abi.
See my Rakhi.
कैसा राखी है दिख नहीं रहा दिख नहीं रहा है
खाली धागा है इसमें.
Daddy let me
मीठी कौन मीठी where are you मीठी?
मीठी अच्छा
You call मीठी where are you मीठी? Surprise!
What is that? You...
Wait 1 minute
Wait 1 minute. She will get scissors, I think. So what is this?
my sister
See, she'll get her scissors.
Let me help you.
What's that? What is that? This is her Raksha Bandhan gift from Anibaya. It came late, but at least it came already. It's just because of the shipping.
Lunchbox.
It's a lunchbox.
Hello,
Raksha
Sandeep.
Bandhan gift from Anibaya. What will they say to Anibaya here?
thank you Anifada Mama Anifada
He will watch this video.
See. Wow. So pretty, Pop.
Now this will be used for Mimi's school. Oh, there's small one. Small baby spoon.
You like that? Huh, baby? Huh? Beautiful.
Who is this?
Minnie Mouse
Minnie Mouse.
subscribe my video like this time like my video like this time bye